And y'all install.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's talk about that. If you're considering a window or door app, and we haven't even talked about swinging doors, particularly like y'all's fantastic front door selections you've got. Let's talk about how a homeowner would engage y'all. How would they approach y'all?
Yes. Well, I mean, if we talked about the showrooms. If you want to call or come in, whether it's just a walk-in or set up an appointment, you can do that. If you want to go online and set up an appointment on our scheduler app, you can do that. There's a real-time calendar on there that you can pick your date and time you want somebody to come right to your house. We can do that as well, and one of our sales consultants can walk you through all of our offerings and pricing and options. Like we've talked about these pass-through windows all morning. If you're considering something like that, but you just don't know if your house is set up for it, or if the building itself could handle this, they'll be able to help you figure that out.
And we haven't even talked about the glazing options. That's a whole conversation all by itself.
Yeah, and we've got our glass is called the Sun Defense glass. It's a triple coat low E with argon, and you can get it tempered or non-tempered, but it'll meet all of the energy energy requirements for Arizona.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.